Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here to do the giveaway. Here's the giveaway prize, and that's done by there, ready. So I've never done this before, so I've got everything set up ready, as you can see, and you can see the title up here. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what's going to happen now, so we're just going to go for it. There's about, there is 144 comments, and hopefully this will work. So best of luck, everybody, and here we go. Oh, the winner is Kay Seals. Congratulations, Kay. There it is. Okay, so I'll just leave it there now, and I'll get this video up and running, and then you will see who's won. Thank you all ever so much for entering, and thank you very much, Kay, for entering too. And I hope you like the journal. So thank you, everybody. See you soon. Bye.